Hi, how are you? This is Daf speaking. I'm the founder of DAFHouse.com. We are an IT company which specializes in web application and software development. I'm here to explain to you about our latest web CRM or CMS for loan management system. The system is very nice and it has a lot of options. We are going to give you small demonstration what you can do and how it can help you to manage your business easily. As you can see here, this is the dashboard. It has many options and you can have like branches, then customers, then the wallet, then the loan management. Okay, you can mention that. Then you have a help desk centers and missed payments, employment management. Then you have a lot of models, expenses, payroll, saving accounts. You can write about it. Then here you have the reports, then you have general setting and blah blah. The system is very friendly usage and it can be customized as you like. And we have made sure that test it and make sure all the option is working fine. Let's take a look about inside the loan management system, and I'm gonna help you all the way to customize it the way you like. So far we have only the first version. The next version will be mobile friendly. We are going to make the app very soon, and we are not going to charge much for maintenance or support at all. We will help you all the way to make sure you get maximum of it, okay, and to manage your business easily. As you can see here, there is a lot of option. I'm just gonna play around and see what is there. Okay, we will sure change this to rupees. Okay, frankly speaking, I had a client 1 month back who required this, and right now I have to make this presentation for another client which he insists to have a video presentation about the same. As I mentioned, it has a lot of plugin, a lot of options. Okay, like people can send tickets, it will be complete CRM. Here you can write the expenses. Okay, here's the payment. Just gonna view details, loan amount, customers. You choose a customer, for sure you need to fill this data. Then how much he paid and how much balance. Then who has collected the amount, the marks and all. Then here you have the payroll system, and for sure you will choose the staff and write the details about him or her, what is his base salary and overtime, date, leave, transport, blah blah blah. And then here will come the wallet. Okay, here we'll see the amount has been collected. Okay, and here is the customer. Let's say we want to add new customer. We will add his account number, his photo, his unique ID number, first name, second name, gender, whatever, date of birth, address proof, and all the details, and who's the loan officer like have access to his account or managing his account. We are going to make it very nice and friendly for you. You will see here the complete details about loans, release and loan due, and total expenses, loan repayment, total withdrawal, total transaction, and total deposit for sure. Here is graph, like it will show you like all the details. Okay, and here is the reports. Okay, if you want to take a specific report from a specific date, you will choose the date and from which date to which date, and you can export it in CSV file or Excel file. If you need any more customization, we are ready to give you customization the way you like, and we will help you all the way. Okay, and we'll make sure that everything is working fine, and this software will cost you 50,000 rupees, including the maintenance and the support and the running of cost, which is like requiring a web hosting. Okay, this is complete 1 year. It's only 50,000 rupees. Payment has to be made in two parts. First payment is 25,000 rupees. Then when the application is running and handed over to you and give you the complete access, you will pay the remaining. Thank you so much for watching me, and I hope you are not bored. And again, if you require any specific modification, I'm ready to help you all the way. And this is our first product, and we are in the progress to develop more software and application with based for other businesses. And our loan management system will be for banks. This is for companies. For banks, it will be very having more options like connectivity to account directly, and we can receive SMS like when the due payment and all these things. And in this also we have implemented the SMS notification system for the people, like can receive SMS when the payment done or anything. Thank you again. Take care of yourself. See you, and don't hesitate to call me anytime. I'm here to support you, and you sure need help. Okay, I'm in business terms. Okay, so feel free to contact me either by phone or email. Everything is mentioned. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Peace.